First step to heat apply SuperTEK Gloss Clear material is to load your garment onto the press, ensuring that your printing area is flat. In this case, I've chosen to use an 11x15 attachment to be able to accomplish that. At that point, I'm ready to set up my temperature and my time. SuperTEK Gloss Clear applies at 280 degrees for 2 steps of 5 seconds each. So I'll set my time for 5 seconds and my second timer on this machine for 5 seconds. At this point, I'm ready to set and adjust my pressure. The Hotronix Auto Open Clam has a pressure adjustment knob over the center and also has a digital pressure readout on the display. Regardless of your press, you want to achieve a medium pressure to apply this product. So I'll lock this press down. It'll read out a 5 on my digital control board, which I know is a medium pressure. Anything a 4, 5, or 6 is a medium because the scale runs 0 to 9. Now I have my garment loaded and I've preheated in that stage of setting my pressure. You want to make sure you preheat every garment. And I'm ready to position my gloss clear design. It's very important that you make sure that the right side is down here. The correct side is down because this is a clear media, so it can be a little bit tricky, but have some concept of your design and how it's supposed to look. And then you position that into place, cover it with a cover sheet, and we'll complete the first application step, which is 5 seconds at that 280 degrees. After the press opens, this is technically a cold peel, which means if you're doing a lot of these, it's probably best to take the garment off of the press, let it cool completely down, and you can peel the backing hours later or minutes later, whatever. Since I'm just doing one for this sample, what I like to do is just drape the edge off of the press just to let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, I can remove the backing from the material, peel at a 45-degree angle, and let me just readjust my shirt back onto the press to make sure my printing area is flat once again. And I can put my cover sheet back on top of the transfer, very important step, and heat apply it again for the second step of 5 seconds. Same temperature, same pressure, just with a cover sheet, and now I have a highly durable, completed result.